Please be careful with standing.
Here we are in the middle of the boat. This is where the dining room's going to be. Plan is to have the kitchen in the central part with a dining room attachment. It's all going to be quite open plan. The dining room and the kitchen and the lounge living room are all sort of together. It's going to be in the middle of the boat here. Going to be converted from a rusty hull into a beautiful living room at some point. Dining room design, take us through it.
What I'd like for the dining room is for it to be attached to the kitchen area. So it would be nice to come up with some clever way of creating a bench or a seated area attached to maybe the kitchen or a kitchen block with some DIY cushions attached to it. I'm a really big fan of that blue bench and the cushions attached to the back of it. I've pinned a lot of photos like that on my Pinterest board, so I'm looking forward to giving my mom an assignment as well.
The dining room is a bit of a sort of conundrum for me because I'm clear on the kitchen, I'm clear on the living room. The dining room sits somewhere in between, and obviously you want somewhere where you can eat your food that's more formal than just sitting on the sofa.
Yeah.
But you don't want it to impede on the kitchen space.
No, yeah.
So it'll be interesting to see how that exactly fits together, but the design's quite clear, which is that it's going to be relatively traditional, sort of farmhouse, woody, you know, that sort of stuff. Maybe some tiling.
Yeah, and some nice lighting. I think lighting is very important.
Yeah, some subtle colours.
Yeah.
Could even do some space-saving stuff where, say, the table like comes down off the wall or something, and you know, because it's not going to be a huge amount of space once we've got the rooms in here.
Yeah.
But this is the room that I'm going to be interested to see how we tackle it.
Yeah.
Because it's not clear to me exactly where we're going to be doing this within this boat space.
Especially as we're shortening the boat as well. It's becoming less and less clear to me how much space we actually have.
And it may be that actually in the end, we sort of have to slightly sacrifice the dining room. We're having less space, and there's going to be a requirement for bedroom, kitchen, lounge more than a specific dining room area. But I think some space-saving ideas within this design will be great, and it will work really well.